What's up? Long time no see, guys. You got Beeps here and you got Lloyd behind me. We got our 3100C boom truck here, 30 ton, and we're gonna be throwing up some gravel with our gravel bucket that we've rented out today, and our skid steer. I'll be operating that, and it's gonna be a nice smooth one today. Nice beautiful day to be working, eh?
We've got the 30 ton here with a bobcat rented out to load into the gravel bucket. We're going with around 3,300 per bucket, and we're coming out about 50 feet.
So she's going good so far. We got a good system. Me and Lloyd telepathically are connecting very good with each other. But as you can see, I think we're on our we've probably thrown up a dozen lifts so far. Just need a little coffee break. Don't got a heated seat or nothing in that skid steer, so. You guys are getting some good footage of Lloyd and I down here. Let's see what you guys are looking like from the sky. What's that? Oh, okay. Copy that. Yeah, you're getting no footage up there. Going great, they're going smooth. I got my ear protection in because it is loud. Let me tell you, it's louder than the freaking Green Day concert I went to last Sunday. Holy moly.
The what concert?
Sum 41.
The what?
So am I still